front thing got loose. Everybody was blinking at me that I was flashing them in the eyes, so I moved it, and now it's all over the place. Anyways, it's all over the shop now. Okay guys, we gotta say goodbye to the last marker, hence why we're coming all the way in. It's about 7-8 blocks back to the station then. I didn't do it. He did it. He did it. I didn't do it. He did it. We're getting hit from the sort of southeast over here, guys. Yeah, how things can quickly change as soon as you get to the lake. It's unbelievable. So yeah, we're gonna do a big circle just to kiss the sign goodbye. Huh. Yeah, we're gonna yell it out, aren't we? Yeah, we're gonna yell it out, and of course, take a customary photo. Where is it? Where is the sign? There's the sign. Yes, we did it. Yeah, baby. St. Louis to Chicago. Woo! Yeah, baby. I did it. Yeah, papi. St. Louis to Chicago. Yeah, man. Woo! How about them little crazy apples? Nobody even looks. Everybody got their own problems.
Okay.
Bye. Everybody got their own problems. What? This puppy did it in 6 hours, 40 minutes. Yeah, puppy, right? St. Louis to Chicago. Woo! Yeah, let's do this. So this is the start right here. Oh, puppy doing it. Puppy doing it. Yeah, man. Come on, man. You want to get in it? Come on. You want to get in it? I just did it from St. Louis to Chicago on a bicycle. Woo! 6 days on a bicycle from St. Louis to Chicago, man. St. Louis, Missouri. 6 days. Woo! Jungle Harry on YouTube. Yeah. All right. So that's it. That's all the celebration I got, guys. Where's the champagne? Who brought the champagne? Nobody brought the champagne. MashaAllah. Alright guys, so no one's excited about it, right? I just did the St. Louis, Missouri